Let me tell you the story of how we transformed the storage room in our London flat from this to this, with just £106. Hi everyone, I'm Robin. Welcome to the very first episode of my value hunting series. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how we did it. Before we bought this place, we live in a 3-bedroom shed flat, and we were quite lucky to have one storage room just for ourselves. So, when we're looking for our own flat, a storage room is still a must-have. On the floor plan, it looked like a good size. But when we saw it in reality, we realized it was clearly not designed for maximum use. It was just a space built around a messy collection of utilities and a spot for a washing machine. So today, I'm going to show you the framework we used to solve this challenging space. My design strategy was simple. Go vertical, keep it mobile, and create dedicated zones. Based on those principles, I developed our 3-zone system. Zone 1, deep storage. Zone 2, flexible access. And Zone 3, daily logistics. I had a framework, so this is where my partner Jay comes in. He's not a big fan of being on camera, but he's absolutely best at supporting me behind the scenes. He found the perfect customizable cabinet on Amazon for deep storage and a heavy-duty wheeled shelf for the other side. Okay, the build itself had some drama. Because the left shelf was a perfect fit, so getting it in was not easy, and installing it around all those pipes was even more difficult. And Jay almost put his back getting it in. The good thing about this product is you can customize the size of each shelf however you want. See? We managed to avoid all the socket and fuse box on the wall. We now can stock things literally from floor to ceiling. And with easy access to everything on the shelf. In comparison, the right shelf is more straightforward to build. And just look at how much heavy stuff it can hold. Also, the wheels allows me to move it in and out whenever necessary, especially when the service people needs to get into the utilities on the right side. But our biggest problem was the middle section. Because we wanted to put things on top of the washing machine without shaking them off while the machine is running, so we want to create a surface. But all the sturdy legs we can find, either in store or online, are either too wide or just too big to fit in the space nicely. In the end, Jay discovered this, a stacking shelf. It's genius. And the last piece of the puzzle, we found a perfect size kitchen door in the IKEA return section. So perfect, it slides right in. And here it is, a room that actually works. Everything has its home, and we have at least doubled our storage space. So, what are the key takeaways? Here are our top 3 lessons. And now for the best part, the numbers. The total cost for all parts was £121. We then sold the unused cabinet part for £15, bringing our final cost down to an incredible £106. And that's how a value hunter does it. What do you think? This is my very first YouTube video. I'm still learning everything from the scratch, so I'd love to hear your feedback or advice. If you learned anything from me today or you just simply enjoy this video, please give me a like And if you want to see more of the value hunting series, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!